Welcome everybody to one of my unprofessional videos on how to. This is the 2021 Toyota 4Runner Trail Edition 4x4. Same engine, they all have the same engine. If you know 4Runners, you should already know that. So I am doing the oil change. I am using Mobil 1 020 as that is what's required. I'm going to use the K&N filter. Please do know that you do need this to remove the oil filter housing. You can use one of these cheaper filters, but I found a special and I'm using the K&N. So you will also need, I recommend a big pan. This is a concrete mixing pan because this car will spill a lot of oil. It will splash everywhere. All the oil filters come with this attachment here, but I attach this extra little hose so that it drips into the pan. You will need a funnel. You will need a famous 10 millimeter, a 12 millimeter, and a 14 millimeter. So the 10, you will need to remove this plastic pan right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and maybe a flathead screwdriver just to remove this fastener. Then from there, you will get your 12 millimeter. There is a bolt right here, bolt right here. I believe there's a bolt right here, bolt right here. You will have to remove this cover. You will also have to remove this cover. And there is a bolt here, here. I already removed this cover just for reference, but you don't have to if you're gonna remove the whole cover. There's another bolt there. There's another bolt here. Once you remove those, then you come back to your good old 14 mil. And that one is for the bolt right here to drain your oil. Then, last but not least, you will need this to remove the housing for the oil filter. Like I said, I do recommend using a big concrete mixing pan because the ones that they sell at the auto parts place are way too small, and this does drip a lot. It's like if you were to turn on the water hose and it's just splashing away. So very simple. If you like doing your own oil changes, this is the way to go. A lot of people will say, well, why don't you take it to the dealer? I took it to the dealer to get it done. If you're a car guy, you will get it done yourself. If you're not, hey, go ahead, take it to the dealer.